I love cooking and I want to make it into a job. I like to put my heart, my concentration, my passion, my energy, my positive energy into the food that I make. And I hope that when the people, they enjoy my food, they can sense they can feel the happiness. Actually, my future dream is very simple. I just want to work well, study well, practice more so that I can use my knowledge and my skill to work in the decent restaurant, serving good food and healthy food to the community. When I can put all of my heart into the food, my concentration, it's like a way for me to meditate, and I can transfer the positive energy into the food. Hopefully that when the people enjoy my dish, they can feel happy. One of the things I enjoy the most about my studying is making new friends. And besides, I got the chance to learn the knowledge of the different cuisines around the world, from the Western to the Asian countries such as French, Italian, Chinese, Thai, Fiji, Vietnamese, Chinese. So it's very interesting and it intrigues my curiosity of knowing more and more. Also, it's widened my knowledge, and I'm very eager to come to class every day to learn the new knowledge. Hello, my name is May. People here calling me May, but in the temple they call me Yuling. And my original name from Vietnam is Khanh Ngân. At the moment, I'm studying hospitality in SuniTAFE, Victoria, Australia.